Scott Schiller, Team G503 from Charleston, South Carolina. Guys been messaging me, been getting a lot of questions and stuff like that on the YouTube channel. If you follow us on Instagram and Facebook, I challenged myself almost 30 days ago. Today, I think, is actually 30 days ago. The tub. The tub is that thing, and I know y'all been watching, you see me. That's actually the project. The tub is actually the project. The chassis on the Team G503 1943 Willys MB is done. You saw my wife drive it. That was a cool video. Anyways, what I did was, not because I have to be motivated, because I don't have to be motivated, but the tub is something that I struggle with. Do you struggle with it too? It's not complicated. It's a lot of flat sheet metal. It's a lot of pieces, but there's always so much rot, so many holes, so many things you don't even see when you start the project because it looks good. And you get into it and anyways, so what I did was I started I'm going to work on my project at least an hour a day out there on Facebook. And anyway, guys did that. This is very, very cool. And the idea is don't prioritize your projects above your family, your jobs. It's supposed to enjoy this. But the idea is to kind of get you to think about it. If I just spend a little time every day, then the project gets done. You got to keep that in mind because there's a lot of these old war horses that wind up in the dump and they wind up in people's garages for years and years and years. And it's because everybody starts out with good intentions and then they forget and they don't think about it. They look at the big hole and they don't look at the little piece at a time, So I'm getting very close. I'm going to show you later in the video the last thing I can do. I think I've saved the worst for last. Anyhow, it's getting really close and I'm very excited about it. I apologize for not posting so much on YouTube, and we're going to do so many more how-to videos. This is priority to me right now. Got to get the tub done. In your projects, what's been your big obstacle? Tell me about that in the comments. Anyway, time to clean up for the night in Charleston, South Carolina. It's getting kind of dark out here. Love the place, but the crickets and the frogs are coming out, so time for me to turn in. Thanks for watching Team G503 and the YouTube videos. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on that button down there and hit the bell so you get the notifications when I post the videos. Until I'm done with this, nothing else. This is priority. It's holding me up on the build. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. This is kind of I'm saving the best for last. That inside support and the inside of the firewall is completely rotted out, so I'm going to cut that away. I've already cut the backside out, but down in there, underneath that hat channel, I think I can work that without removing that big hat channel. I really don't want to, but that's the last major I've got to repair on this tub. So, whew, it's been a long journey. Wish me luck. I've almost got it done.